everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lisa Yoga Angel. So today is for everybody who is sitting at a desk all day. So it's going to be our Get Zen in 10 yoga in a chair or yoga at work. And for those of you working from home, this is super easy. You don't need to wear your yoga pants. You don't need a yoga mat. Just back away from your desk. Shut off your phone or turn off your computer or other distractions. Take this 10 minutes or so just for you to step away from your work, to breathe, to let go. It's so important to take these breaks, I know, in our work day to kind of revive us, rejuvenate us, and give us kind of a reboot, right? We reboot our computer, but we need a reboot ourselves. So all you need is your chair. So we're going to come to kind of bringing your seat in the middle of your chair. So be careful that you're not tipping forward. Be safe, be mindful of the chair that you're sitting in. But instead of sitting all the way back, come to sit kind of in the middle of your chair. Okay, so that your feet are flat on the earth. If you can, take off your shoes, kick off your shoes, your heels, whatever you're wearing, and then just place your palms face down on your legs. Good. Circle the shoulders up and then circle them down the back so you feel your shoulders move away from your ears. Lift your heart. Nice long spine, and the top of our head is reaching towards the sky. Good. And then close your eyes. Relax the jaw. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill up the belly, the ribs, the shoulders, and the chest. And then a big exhale out of the mouth. Let it all go. Feel the shoulders drop a little bit more. Good. Twice more like that. Big, deep inhale. And an easy exhale. Feel your sits bones rooted down, feet flat. One more, big breath in, nice and long through the spine. And an easy exhale, just letting go. Coming back to your breath for a few minutes. Good, and then softly open your eyes. Good, keeping the palms pressing onto the thighs. You're going to arch your back, so we're going to press our heart forward. Pretend somebody's pulling a string, and then open the chin. And this may not look like much, but we feel that arching action in the spine, like a cat-cow. And then bring your chin into your chest as you round and curl the spine. Pull your navel into the spine. Exhale. Inhale. Heart is pulling forward. Open up the shoulders, lift the chin, maybe eye gaze goes up. Exhale, chin to chest, round and curl, navel to spine. Good. Twice more. Inhale, arch. Open everything up. Exhale, round and curl. Maybe catch your knees a little bit. Take it back. So let it feel nice and yummy. Last one, inhale. Arch, heart is forward, open up. Exhale, round and curl. Good, and then come back to center. Going to take a little gentle spinal twist. So you're going to bring your left hand on the chair behind you. Bring your right hand, cross it over, and just touch the outside of that left thigh or the knee. Sit nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale. Twisting through your thoracic spine. That's the middle spine. And breathe. Exhale. Pull the lower belly in. Good. Inhale. Lift and lengthen. Exhale. Pull the lower belly in. moving that left shoulder back, turning your gaze, but not forcing the neck. Keep the mouth, the jaw, the face relaxed. Good. Breathe. One more. The inhale, we get taller. The exhale, maybe we twist a little deeper, but not forcing. Good. And then look forward. Little counter pose for our neck. And then unwind. Good. Opposite side. Good. Right hand grabs the back of your chair. Left hand reaches, grabbing the outside of the knee or the thigh. Good. Inhale, sit nice and tall, top of the head towards the sky. Exhale, pull the lower belly in, feeling that twist in your middle spine. Be mindful, be careful. No sharp pain here. Let it feel nice and good. Be in your body. Good. Big breath in, grow tall. Exhale it out. One more big breath in. Big breath out. Good. Turn your gaze forward. Counter pose in the neck. And then slowly unwind. Good. Now we're going to do a little hip opener here as we sit in our chair. I want you to cross your right ankle. Pick it up, cross it over that left knee. This might be a lot already. We feel this. This is intense already for a lot of us. So see if you want to move that ankle in a little more. Keep that foot flexed, protecting our knee joint. Good. Let your palm rest lightly on the top of your thigh. Left hand on the ankle, and then just sit nice and tall. Good. And we're tracking that right knee towards the earth. So you're feeling it in the right hip. Good. And then close your eyes and breathe here. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good. One more big breath in. Let it feel nice and yummy. Big breath out. Good. Maybe come forward. It feels good. Just feel into your body. One more big breath in. A little sway in the spine here. Just kind of move around. Get anything that's stuck or stagnant. Yoga should feel good. Good. And then inhale. Come back up to center. Awesome. Slowly unwind, switching sides. Maybe shake out the legs a little here. Good. So switching sides, crossing that left ankle over the right knee. Sitting nice and tall. This might feel totally different. I know this hip is definitely tighter on my body. So just observe that. Good. Flexing through the foot and the knees tracking down towards the earth gently. Resting your left palm on the thigh, right palm on your ankle. Sit nice and tall. Big breath in. Big breath out. Maybe lean on in. See what that does. You know, it's the subtle movements that can kind of make a big difference. Big breath in. Big breath out. Breathe, breathe, breathe. One more. Just exploring here in your body. Might not look like much, but we're feeling it. Big breath out. Awesome. And then come all the way back up. Awesome. Straighten that leg out. Shake it out. Good. And let's do a little shoulder stretch here. So I want you to bring your arms into a cactus shape. Good. We're going to come into an eagle arm shape. So you're going to weave that left elbow under the right. Good. And then maybe intertwine the arms. I'm going to show you here. So if this is impossible, it doesn't feel good, you don't like it, body's saying no, I want you to grab opposite shoulders. You're still going to get that stretch in your shoulders, the upper back. Good. Maybe if they're intertwined, you catch a finger, maybe a few fingers. Eventually our palms can come together. So yoga is a journey, it's a practice. We take it in small steps. Good. Take a deep breath in here into the back of the shoulder blades and a big exhale. Good. Keep tracking those palms away from you. See if you can lift the elbows. See what that does for the shoulder stretch. Or maybe bring them down. Good. A big breath into the back of the body. And a big breath out. One more. Big breath in. We got this. And a big breath out. Awesome. Slowly unwind. Wherever you are, shake it out. Circle the shoulders. Let it feel nice. Move the neck around. Good. Whatever feels good for you. All right. So we're doing the other side here. I'm kind of just shifting to the side so you can see me a little better. Come into those cactus arms. Good. Weaving right elbow under the left, or again, grabbing opposite shoulders. That is, did I say shoulders before? Shoulders. Grab opposite shoulders. This is always the option. And this can be intense for a lot of people. And then maybe you bring the back of the forearms together, and then maybe you intertwine them and catch a finger or a palm, and we breathe. Good. Big breath in. Feet flat on the earth, spine nice and tall. Exhale it out. Close the eyes, relax the face, relax the jaw. Big inhale right into the shoulder blades. Tilt your chin down. Exhale it out. This is one of the best yoga stretches for the shoulders. Those of you who play tennis, really good. One more big breath in. Big, easy exhale out. It's all about the breath. You never want to lose your breath. Always come back to the breath when that monkey mind starts. Awesome. Shake it out. Good. Circle those shoulders. Good. Going to stand up on our feet here. Let's finalize our Get Zen in 10. Good. Feet flat on the earth. Take them a little bit wider than your hips. Good. Circle the shoulders up and back, palms facing forward. Good. On an inhale, circle the arms down, around, and all the way up. Good. Touch your fingers. Stay here. Drop your shoulders. Slide your tailbone down towards the earth. Good. A nice full body stretch here. Reach up, open up the palms, bring them shoulder width apart, and reach up towards the stars. Good. Take a deep breath, firmly ground through the feet. Inhale, grow nice and tall. Exhale, open up the arms, bend your knees a lot. Swan dive, forward fold to the earth. Maybe your fingertips touch down. Crown of the head towards the earth. Shake your head. No, I will not skip my Get Zen in 10 yoga break at work. And shake your head. Yes, I will come back to this practice. Again, so healthy for me. Good. And then stay grounded through the feet. Bend your knees a lot. Dangle the arms round and curl the spine up as you squeeze the belly into the spine. Squeeze your navel towards the spine. Shake it out on the way up. Little bounce. Wake us up here a little bit. Ooh. Coming all the way up, circle the shoulders up. Slide the shoulder blades down the back. Good. Breathe. Bring your palms together. Touch your thumbs to your heart center. Good. Take a deep breath in. Easy exhale out. Deep breath in. Big breath out. Good. Open your eyes. Sit down on your chair. Come back to where we started. Place your palms face down. Close the eyes. Tilt your chin. Come back to your breath. Feel your heart beating. And just feel the energy, the prana we circulated throughout the body. Feel how different the mind may feel, the shift in your energy within and around you. Good, and then bring your palms together, touch your thumbs to your heartbeat one more time. Closing our Get Zen in 10 practice, yoga at work. Big breath in. Big breath out. And open your eyes. Namaste. All done. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day.